Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Simbut menteri rangba ke Jylla ubah Presiden Tensong. Uloong baka sorkar Meghalaya berasam lima kejinyalam simbut menteri rangba ubah senya balang dahar ringkat kejinon lang kinong yalam shinong na Baroh tali ke Jylla. Hanin kesengi kile railang man pentikna berang ni syakmat kenam don Shuh kenu Jingpynthut. Hakaliang karab Riang jong hinong syong shinong hakapun. Shuh ubah Presiden uloong Baroh ke Jylla berke District Council ru kila pentikna Baroh kikam kamai jakpo jong Baroh liang kishnong kinyo kalat bantrei dak basuk basan bat kebane klem don Shuh ke Jingpynthut hadian habut ru.
As well as senior officials from the government of Assam. And from our side, delegation is led by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snow Dhar. And in the meeting yesterday, they have fully agreed, both sides, and that also in presence of both the headmen from Meghalaya as well as from Karbi Anglong side. And the agreement is very clear. They wanted to make sure from now on, they wanted to make sure that the cultivation activities does not at all get stalled at any point of time. That is the decision they taken yesterday. And even both the authorities from the state government and as well as district council authorities has also assured that they will make sure that the livelihood activities which is being done and which is going to be done by both the villages of the two states has to be at any cost preserved, and cordial and healthy atmosphere has to be prevailed over there, not only for 1 week or not only for 1 month, but time and again. Hence.